Hi there guys, Richard here from the Leather Repair Company. This is our saddle soap cleanser. This is designed for all types of saddles and tack equipment. So this is designed to remove any dirt and grime on saddles and saddle tack, as well as removing all the oils, fats and grease and any residue of saddle soap that's been put on there in the first place. So this is the first port of call that you would be looking at to remove any deep down stubborn stains from your saddling leather. Process for this is spray on and agitate with a brush. As with all our bottles, they are a trigger spray, and what happens is they are locked for transit, as you can clearly see. Move this little black gadget here, and as you can see, they then spray. The saddle soap cleanser is a natural product. It's safe for all types of saddles. It's horse friendly. It's perfectly fine to use on the actual saddles and the tack equipment with no harm to be created or anything like that to any of your horses. But as with always, check in small hidden areas, first of all, with any product that you do use, especially surrounding animals. But that is the saddle tack cleanser from our Saddle Care range from the Leather Repair Company. Cleaning is obviously just spray on, agitate with a brush, and then wipe away any residue with a towel like this one here, the bamboo fibre towel. What you can also do, because saddles are predominantly very smooth, is you can spray into the bamboo cloth, and again it's very environmentally friendly, and spray into the actual bamboo fibre pad and scrub over the surface. And then for deep down stains, give them rub in a circular motion with the brush and wipe away any dirt and residue with the bamboo towel. So again, it's a fantastic product, but that is the saddle soap cleanser from the Leather Repair Company from our Saddle Care range. Hop on over to the website leatherrepaircompany.com.